Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick little video for you guys today, but I want to show you this, and it's seeing these things physically happen that kind of gives you enthusiasm just to keep on going with builds. So come and see this. First things first, I want to go over, this is obviously my twin plate clutch that I was running in the K20 RX7, and I found this. You can see, look at the state of this. So the bushing I used basically has been my issue for me killing gearboxes. It's just basically worn itself with too much play, and the pilot bearing of the gearbox itself has obviously been wandering, and that itself causes the clutches just to misalign very slightly and drag very slightly, and when they drag, that's obviously when you start smashing synchros because your box is not slowing down enough. But anyway, here's the gearbox. Obviously it's an RX8 bell housing, this is an RX8 centre section, and this is an RX7 tail housing. There's a video on my channel somewhere about how to convert that. And obviously here's the adapter plate I made. This adapter plate, I made it with studs instead of bolts. The reason for that is because it's easier to slide a gearbox on when it's studs. Come over here and we see some DCT blood. Oh my god, look at that. It's a DCT cooler. Where's the DCT box? Yes guys, as you can see, there's a gearbox in there. I just wanted to make sure it would clear the firewall, which it's got plenty of room if I'm honest, and it was one of my worries because these boxes are quite tall, so I'm going to wait till the adapter plate comes in just before obviously I fit it all. I just wanted to get the car up in the air just now to see if it would even, you know, consider going into the car itself. As you can see here, there's plenty of room. Obviously prop shaft donut here. I can move this over a bit, it's all just loose just now. There's plenty of room around there, look at that. Room on the top, room at the side. That means I'll get an exhaust down the side there. Obviously things need to be straightened up a little bit, but it's up the side there. And for height, we're not too bad, not too shabby at all. And so you can see that in there. So yeah, needs to go over that way slightly, but it looks like I'm not going to have to modify the firewall or the chassis in that matter, which is always a good thing. So that then helps me get the angle of the 350Z diff. So if I take a look down this tunnel here, I can see around about the height that I need to point the diff at, which is exactly pretty much where I was going to be pointing to begin with. So that's just luck, by the way. I didn't try and calculate that out, because if I try to calculate it, guaranteed it would be wrong. So yeah, I'm probably going to have to notch the bell housing to get the starter motor in, but that shouldn't be any issue. Here is the spare engine I've got. You can see the flywheel down there. The reason I've got that is so I could put this gearbox adapter on and I can mark out the holes, I can drill it, tap it in that off the car obviously, fit the gearbox, notch anything that needs to be notched like starter motors and stuff like that, like I said, and it means when I put it in the car it should be bolting straight on and never have to come back off again. Touch wood. I don't want to say that because it probably will now. But yeah, once it's up there, then I'm going to fabricate the gearbox mounts itself, and we should be golden. Let's have a wee look at this. This is the factory gearbox mount. Let's see if we could utilise it. Right guys, as you can see, factory mount is there, and look, two nice mounting points. So I'll either use this factory one, or I could easy make my own. Either way, I'm sure we'll get that sorted. Right, so that's it over and done with. Short little video. Buzzing to see that sort of go in the car. So now I just need to push on, drive, and get this shit together. And as always, we'll catch you guys in the next vid.